Hi guys, today I'm decluttering my nail paints. So these are all the colors that I have. You can see there are so many. Let's see what we throw.
Let's start with this orange. It is from Sinful Colors and I really like it, and yes, it is working nicely. So we're gonna keep this. Whatever we're gonna keep it in this box that I've made. It's a beautiful green one from Makeup Collection. Look at the color. It's dying. Throw this. Next one is a local brand. It is dying and I don't even use this color, so maybe I can donate it to someone. This is again one of my favorites. It's Sally Hansen. I really like it. I use it again a lot of times and it is still working. So we're gonna use this one. This is again a local brand but works very beautifully. So we're gonna keep next one, glitter one. I use it on festivals time and this is again still working nicely. So we're gonna keep this as well. This is the next one. It's a beautiful aqua color, but I don't think I've used this in a long time. So I will use it for another 6 months, and then if I don't use it enough, I'm gonna give this away. Next up is this Sally Hansen. I really love Sally Hansen's brand. This works beautifully, still very good. This is a local brand, is working. Yeah, this is going for donation. This is the third one. It is from the Diamond Gloss. Very beautiful colors they have. I have 3 or 4 of these, and this works very beautifully still. It is actually like gloss. This is again a local brand but a white color and works nicely. It has started to become a little sticky, so that means donate. This is I think US brand, I'm not sure, and beautiful color. This is a very unique color that I love to use. So local brand has completely dried out. I don't know what I was doing. We're gonna throw this. Next is this beautiful burnt orange color. It is still working beautifully, but I don't use it enough, so we can donate this to people. This is the next one. It's again a very beautiful color. I use it at times. Amazing color. I really like it. So we're gonna. This is the next one. This is a recent one that I bought. This was in my Health and Glow one. I love this color. This is only for 40 or 50 rupees, but beautiful color. Really nice. I really like the color. Beautiful color. Very similar to the one that we have. So we're gonna keep this as well. Again, one of my favorites. It's a local brand, but the color is unique. It is about to be empty, but I love it. I can use it, I think, one more time and then throw it away. Sold, but a very beautiful poppy pink color. I love to use it. This is from Maybelline. This is also a new one. New as in 6 months or 5 months old, but you have seen me wearing this color a lot. Again, one of my favorites from Makeup Gallery, London, I think. Again, and the brush is very unique as well. This is from Debel. It was given to me by my sister because it's a beautiful color. I think this is a Swedish brand, but it is available in India. I really love pastel shades now, as you can tell from my collection. This is a golden color, is or special occasion, something like that. It's very beautiful, nice. Again, a local brand, and I think very sasta. I think 30-40 rupees, but works very nice. This is the next one. This is also from the Diamond Gloss collection. Very unique color, and I love it. So I'm gonna definitely keep this one as well. This is a silver nail polish. Look at the halat. It is all dried and finished, but I've used this a lot. Definitely from the Diamond collection. It's a very nice ivory orange color. Definitely keeping this as well. This, as you know, it's one of my most favorite. Like if you ask me to pick 5, this would definitely be in 350 or something. The brush is very nice. It's from Maybelline, 14 hours, but oh my god, amazing one. Again, a local brand, but nice color. This is a very unique color. a green and aqua mixture. So I like that. I think this is dried up now. I used to use this so much. I used to love it, but it is almost dried. So if someone wants, we can donate. This is again one of my favorites that I use a lot. Super cheap. I think just for 65, 75, and it's a dark nude color, dark brownish nude. Love it. Friend gifted me when she came from USA. I think around say 3, 4 years back. Some of them have dried out working, but I don't use the color a lot, so we can donate. We can again donate this whole. I have used this color so much, and it is still working nice. So I'm gonna still donate because it's a dark pink kind of a purple. Works nicely, so we can donate it again. It's starting to dry up, so we can throw this one that I'm wearing. I love this one. This is the same as yellow from streetwear, and this is working, of course, because I've applied. I just kept it because I love it, but it has dried up completely, I think. Yeah, the color is so pretty. This is how the color looks, but now it is very sticky. I came in this pack of glitter nail paint from London. I bought years ago. Used, it is called nail polish. These are from Primark. Wow, very nice blue glitter color. Still works beautifully. This is a golden one. Again, festival season के लिए amazing color. I love this. Unique, and this is the most used from all four because it is a greenish glitter color that I really like. All four are very nice colors. And then this is a coppery rose gold kind of a color. Very beautiful. I should use this one more now. So I'm gonna keep all four of them. So we've made 3 piles. All we are throwing away because they've dried out and not much we can do about it. So it's a very small pile. I'm happy about that. This I'm very happy that I can donate because some of them are still not fully dried. So if someone can use it, it would be great. This is all very good neon collection. Two of them are from London and then some local brands. So yay, good job. So we are very happy that we have managed to cut down only this much nail paints because you actually don't use this much and they dry up really fast. So yay, if you like the video then please like it, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and comment below what would you like me to declutter